Are you ready to explore the stunning landscapes of Finland without spending a fortune? One of Europe's most enchanting destinations, where you can experience a full day of adventure for just $20. Imagine enjoying a warm, freshly made Karjalan piraka, Karelian pie, for only $4 from a local bakery in Helsinki, filled with creamy rice pudding. Got a sweet tooth? Pop over to a nearby cafe for a classic Finnish pulla, a sweet cardamom-spiced bun, for just $3. And don't forget to stop by the historic Embark Cafe, where a buttery croissant or a hearty porridge bowl can be yours for as little as $4. Traveling around Helsinki on trams or buses costs as little as $2 per trip, making it an affordable way to explore the capital's major attractions and hidden gems. Many attractions in Finland are free. Visit landmarks like Helsinki Cathedral, Suomenlinna Fortress, and the Sibelius Monument without paying a cent. Some museums, such as the Helsinki Art Museum, provide free entry on certain days, giving visitors the perfect opportunity to enjoy world-class art and exhibitions without spending a dime. Looking for affordable accommodation? Try Couchsurfing.com, a hospitality exchange service where you can stay with locals for free. Sounds perfect, right? Let's dive into the 10 incredible attractions in Finland. And hang tight, because the attraction at the end is absolutely worth the wait. Number 1. Suomenlinna Fortress. Step back in time as you explore the historic Suomenlinna Fortress, a UNESCO World Heritage Site built across 6 islands. Walk through ancient stone walls, discover hidden tunnels, and enjoy stunning views of the Baltic Sea. The fortress is perfect for history buffs, but it's also a peaceful retreat for a picnic or a quiet stroll. Don't miss the museums on-site that dive into Finland's military and maritime history. Take a ferry from Helsinki to this fortress, a short and scenic ride you won't want to miss. Number 2. Helsinki Cathedral. Architecture lovers, rejoice! Helsinki Cathedral is an architectural gem that towers over the city's skyline. Its neoclassical design and iconic green domes make it one of Finland's most recognizable landmarks. Explore the grand interiors, or simply relax on the steps, taking in the vibrant atmosphere of Senate Square. It's a fantastic spot for people watching and capturing the essence of Helsinki's bustling urban life. Don't forget to visit during the evening when the cathedral is beautifully illuminated, creating a picture-perfect scene. And now, let's lighten the mood with a quick laugh. Ready? Why does the husband love visiting Finnish saunas so much? Because it's the only place he can sit quietly and sweat without his wife telling him to clean the house. If only he was as dedicated to helping around the house as he is to the sauna rituals, his wife would say. If you enjoyed that joke and are enjoying the video so far, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us keep the fun and travel tips coming. Okay, dear friends, let's continue with our top attractions list. Number 3. Lapland. Prepare to be enchanted by Lapland, a winter wonderland famous for its northern lights and breathtaking landscapes. Embark on an unforgettable adventure with a reindeer or husky safari, soak in the stunning landscapes, or simply spend a magical evening marveling at the dancing northern lights under the starry skies. Explore the Arctic Circle and meet the indigenous Sami people, learning about their fascinating culture. Winter sports enthusiasts will love skiing or snowshoeing across the vast snow-covered terrain, where every glider step takes you deeper into a serene, frosty wonderland of sparkling snowflakes and crisp mountain air. It's a once-in-a-lifetime destination that brings you closer to nature. Number 4. Temppeliaukio Church. Get ready for a truly unique architectural experience at Temppeliaukio Church, carved directly into solid rock in the heart of Helsinki. The church's raw stone walls and copper dome create a stunning contrast, making it a peaceful retreat and an architectural masterpiece. The natural light filtering through the skylight creates a magical atmosphere, perfect for reflection or enjoying a moment of serenity. It's not just a place of worship. Concerts are often held here, taking advantage of the church's incredible acoustics. Whether you're an architecture fan or just looking for a cool escape, the Rock Church is a must-see. And now, let's take a moment for some travel tips. Knowing what Finns like and don't like can make your visit even more enjoyable. Finns are passionate about their ice hockey, especially their national team, Helsingin IFK. Bringing up the latest hockey match or asking about their favorite team can get a Finn talking, even if they're usually reserved. Finns value quiet and personal space, so don't be surprised if they aren't the most talkative in public spaces. Sauna culture is huge in Finland, and sharing a sauna with friends or strangers is a way of life. So be prepared to strip down to your swimsuit and enjoy the heat. Finns love nature, so hiking, camping, and berry picking are popular pastimes, especially during the summer months. Equality and gender balance are deeply respected, both in the workplace and in society. Finns generally dislike small talk and prefer meaningful conversations, so it's good to keep things direct and to the point. Understanding these cultural nuances will help you connect better with the locals and make your trip more pleasant. All right, folks, let's keep the adventure going with the next attraction on our list. Number 5. Rovaniemi Santa Claus Village. Get ready to meet the real Santa Claus at Santa Claus Village in Rovaniemi, the official hometown of Santa. Cross the Arctic Circle and experience the joy of this unique adventure. Don't forget to send a postcard from Santa's main post office, stamped with a special Arctic Circle postmark. Take a trip to the nearby Ranua Wildlife Park, where you can explore a fascinating collection of polar bears, lynxes, and other unique Arctic animals in their naturalistic habitats. Winter sports, including thrilling snowmobiling adventures, serene ice fishing excursions, and other seasonal activities, make this destination an absolute dream for anyone seeking a true winter paradise. For families and kids, this is a magical spot filled with holiday spirit all year round. Number 6. Lake Saimaa. Welcome to Lake Saimaa, Finland's largest lake, known for its stunning scenery and tranquil waters. It's the ideal destination for fishing, leisurely boating on tranquil waters, or simply soaking in the serenity and beauty of the peaceful natural surroundings. The lake is a sanctuary for the endangered Saimaa ringed seal, one of the rarest and most remarkable seal species in the world, making it a unique and valuable ecosystem to explore. Stay in a lakeside cabin and experience the Finnish tradition of a wood-fired sauna followed by a refreshing dip in the lake. It's a destination that offers both relaxation and outdoor adventure. Number 7. Turku Castle. Step back in time at Turku Castle, a medieval fortress that has stood the test of time. Wander through its ancient halls, explore the dungeons, and immerse yourself in centuries of Finnish history. The nearby Ora River adds to the charm, with its cobblestone streets and historic buildings. It's a place where history comes alive, leaving you with unforgettable memories of Finland's rich heritage. Number 8. Porvoo Old Town. Journey to Porvoo, one of Finland's most charming and oldest towns, known for its colorful wooden houses and cobblestone streets. Picture yourself wandering through quaint streets, exploring artisan shops and cafes, and soaking in the old-world charm. It's a photographer's dream and a perfect day trip from Helsinki. Porvoo is also home to the iconic Porvoo Cathedral, a must-visit for history lovers. Number 9. Olavinlinna Castle. Olavinlinna Castle, built in 1475, is a stunning medieval fortress located on an island in Lake Saimaa. It was constructed to protect the region of Savo and features impressive round towers designed for defense. Today, the castle hosts the annual Savonlinna Opera Festival, drawing visitors from around the world. With its rich history and breathtaking location, Olavinlinna is one of Finland's most iconic landmarks. And now, for the grand finale, let's reveal the surprise attraction. Number 10. Northern Lights Experience. A Northern Lights experience in Finland is like no other. You'll be mesmerized by the vibrant displays of color dancing across the Arctic sky. Head to remote locations like Kilpisjärvi or Utsjoki for the best chances to witness this natural phenomenon. Knowledgeable guides offer unforgettable tours, complete with warm drinks and cozy cabins to keep you comfortable during your stargazing adventure. Whether you're a nature lover or simply looking for a unique experience, the Northern Lights will leave you speechless. And now, for our tasty bonus attraction, let's dive into Finnish cuisine. Picture yourself savoring a hearty bowl of lohikeitto, Finland's famous salmon soup, rich in flavor and tradition. Enjoy a serving of kalakukko, a savory fish pie from the region of Savonia. Relish the comforting flavors of poron koristus, sautéed reindeer, a traditional dish that's a must-try when visiting Lapland. During summer, enjoy fresh berries like cloudberries and lingonberries, perfect for a sweet and refreshing treat. And for dessert, treat yourself to a slice of mustika piirakka, a blueberry pie that's a Finnish favorite. Finnish cuisine is a delightful blend of simplicity and tradition, guaranteed to leave your taste buds satisfied. And there you have it, folks. Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable Finnish adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and guides. Until next time. Happy travels, dear friends.